saw Australia get themselves over 100, and Pakistan. Ryan with Brad Hogg. Wow, what an end to an innings that was.
Amazing end. Dan Christian, the skipper from Australia, really put his team back into this contest. Pakistan had bowled so well throughout those first 5 overs, but Dan Christian, wow, sick defend. Pakistan have been amazing in this tournament. They're batting a final.
Well, you say that, and thank you for teeing me up beautifully. Aklak, 145 runs, not been out yet. Strike rate 337. He owes the team a little bit. 2 drop catches and getting smashed for 6 sixes. Right, spin straight away. Guess what happens, Brad Hogg, when you just lob it up there?
I wouldn't say lob it up there. He was looking for the Yorker, Hazlitt, and not quite getting it, and getting the punishment. Luck. Beautiful piece of batting.
Into a gap. Doesn't get it between mid-wicket and long gone. Surprisingly went with spin, Ryan. Super coach, as we call you.
Well, they've got away with it throughout.
Well, a chance to get through to the final. That's what it's all about. This is dragged towards that leg. That's a good-looking shot. That is a good-looking shot. And listen to the fans. They are trying to roar their team home.
Yeah, this time, where's the wiki?
15 sixes so far in the competition. Asif Ali make that 16. Pressure on Australia straight away.
I'll tell you where the wiki is. Australia are playing right now. They're in a lot of trouble. They need to do something.
Well, they'll take that. Australia will take that to finish off an exciting. Pakistan are trying to chase down for a place in the 5 wickets. They need wickets. Not when you bowl that length to Asif Ali, his 3rd maximum.
Right, and I've got a feeling if he's going to bowl that length again, we don't have enough balls.
He's going to bowl that length again. He didn't learn from the Pakistan seam bowlers. And all of a sudden now, Pakistan in control of this game.
The way things are going right now, Australia are probably hoping that they've lost all the balls.
And again, 6 sixes from his over. He's trying to put that right.
Well, I'm nervous for him because, see it again here.
551 sixes. Length delivery. High in the air. There's a chance. There's a chance. Taken. Dan Christian, safe pair of hands. Australia needed to break through. And they have.
Good thinking by Fekete. He had to do something different. Not well renowned for going for those Yorkers. So change the angle. He's got the wicket. Of Asif Ali, Pakistan.
Australia need another wicket. 1 more wicket or a decent over, and all of a sudden you can turn this game back on its head. Big over this, big over. Little bit of luck for Pakistan. One 6 and 1 4 for Aklak so far.
The outside edge. Wood wants a break.
Sliced, it's sliced. I think he's going to get away with it. Here's 1 bounce 4. Don't think I've heard Wiki for a long time. Wicket keeper, stumper, yes, Wiki. Not heard that. Waqar Younis's nickname was Vicky. Aussie thing. Nice, don't mind that, but it's going to get punished. Tried to go wide. Brad Hogg, what can he do?
Get the wicky up to the stumps. That wasn't too bad a ball. He tried to go wide, tried to york the batsman. It was just good batting from Aklak.
Now then, trying. There you go about that wicket keeper standing up.
The wicket keeper, or the wiki, or whatever you want to call him.
Couple of big balls for Australia here. There is a fielder out there. Just to let you know that Pakistan have reached the finals in the last 4 Hong Kong. He can get out of this over. Clips his pad, won't be a wide. 3 overs gone. Australia back in it, 59 for 1.